automatic. The temperature is 8.2. Okay. So, working one. This is the one. Working at 10. It's working, but these two standby. Then there is number 1, number 2, number 3. Indicator this one, number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay.
2 hours later.
Working now. So full of ice. This compressor, this one motor is 380, compressor is 220. This is the source of this. This is 380. The contactor. This is for the fan, 380. Compressor 220. This timer. Capacitor, transformer, breaker, circuit breaker. Yeah. So this is the indoor of this PC. This is the cabinet room. This cabinet room. Cabinet room. So, take a look. This is long time. Very old. 20 years. 20 years old. Condition.
1 hour later.
So this is a split type AC. Working the fan, but condensation is not hot. We'll see the compressor, it's working or not. Let's see the amperes. Because it's not moisturing, not working. So only 1.8 amperes. So meaning to say it's not working, this one, compressor. Take a look. The contactor, it's working. Why? This terminal. So we can see this one. Okay. stupid. I want to off this one. To off this compressor. Okay. This is the fan supply. So I openly white this one, service this one, check this one, it's hot, pressure hot. So now I'm going to this is the control from up. Okay, this is from up, so we need to first one. So we need to take out this one. Run this compressor. Okay, it is off now. So let's see. This is the starting. Starting is red. So you can take out this one. So running is blue. Running blue and white is. Oh, this is brown. So the brown is common. Brown the common. Why? We will check this continuity. This one. Brown is common. The red is starting. Okay. The blue is running. Okay. So this is directly there. Common. So we can take out this one. This capacitor. We'll check the capacitor also. If working or not. Now checking the winding. This is the running. And this is starting. Running starting is 3.5, 3.4. So we're going to check this terminal is open, thermal protection is open. Okay. Thermal protection. So we're going to check now this capacitor. See, very this is capacitor. Trying to check this one. Okay. So guys, I teach you how to charge this capacitor. This capacitor is 50 microfarad. So you put two wires on the terminals. This is 2 circuit microfarad capacitor. Okay, I'm going to short this one. So this one is, there is supply, this one. There is supply, that one. So as you can see. So meaning to say there is this is okay. This is okay. See? We'll charge again. See? And then we'll short again to discharge. discharge this charge. See, we'll charge again. See, we'll charge again, then we'll short. We'll discharge. No more, no more. We'll charge again. Okay, good. This one is good. The problem is compressor. You see, there is spray on. So it's mechanical problem. What is the issue? It's direct. Okay. So we will check again this. No issue about this one. Okay, tayo. Okay.
Dalawa. Isot mo na ito. It could be